okayfm 101.7.
Papa na what the info we nwie kura compilation of voters register ho asem matese se LIB kura wo ho ayebele in parliament na afi ye de wie ni nyina na ho sikasem so maye na de ntia me bisa no se na ansane na ne ye ne Osahene Boakye Gyan edi nkomo na ne nkomodie no wo se nipa bi a o communication direct officers efri momanyokom ma German district wo maba radio bi so wo maba radio no so wo se anye MPP for si to aba say ya ye baby TNDC for 1.3 million was what e die na mo hunu ntia saa mu nipa no wo ho no wo timi ka se sei ne ye benya na kire se mo ne electoral commission mo aka ba kiri mu a aba no pese mo wie mu no wan de wo se osu mu berebere won ka se mu a mo mfa ne nko wo se de mo ye no ni electoral commission ye no mu piepie o man ko civil war no no de e fa bibi ti sa security ni niema hodo no de we obi a wa bini mu yie pa na e duru civil war mamon ka se wa anku asem o gini se
101.7.
You come Osahene Boakye Gyan na sen bi mo ko German mo na meni ko shia yi di nkomo oye yeah ye no e we invest na ye buno say or a principal person you can say bribia after Muhammad na National Union of Ghana Students ni conference bi o take obaho nanka so be asedi na aba be yina no me fa me na president Rollins asan ba second term na asedi na mafo akan gunu kan gunu so no ba so be yina no na students mi bi yem man man kwan yimu bi ni e prema no nka yemana kwa ma because I'm beginning to principal person ntino ni kasa as ayi na some bi a waka no am beginning say was very certain except that this one I can disagree with it and say is getting it wrong na civil will be also Emma man civil will be easy I mean eventually Electoral Commission for ye ni wo mo hia if we make a claim finance krambo no ye call ye suspend the sitting ya ni ye call acceptance no minority mampo esan ye request bi say ye nsan mo mumra na se bedwom no me brief ye o mo timetable in the midst of coronavirus say e dey na mbeso mo ye so no minority be cancer ema wo ka se simple omuntimi ma plenary me hia ye nyina ebedi FM committee of the whole no anka ye momra ba sonfo bi from special budget committee me ye ba no danyi ma minority leader eye ma bedi akiri special budget committee ni die ho ye ni chairman and ranking member senior other committees ne ye no ye chairman and vice chairman me na me chairman ena minority a vice chairman of committee so na asem no ni nyina no kwani ansana me call asem so because minimum asem a o say NDP before the kan no German radio bi so a o say almost say
say
mobile be what's betting by 1.3 million
1.3 million per day no as research officer no na de ahwe hunu no MPP betimi awene sa and was say any say free mo no
coming yeah about 2016 the general secretary of NDC didn't get here when you see PS1 cafe yen ye gire se be woni aba no omo de omo nim se omo so awani dada na omo wo enipa bi o ka se 2 million or 3 million ewo so sanko foni nyina no omo be hunu mu no mo to aba na omo nim se omo betimi awani by a huge margin. Is it in Katiankasa?
I'm it.
Your casa no you too. You talk about you na and it's woman in Google.
Hey, Wava, are you why not Ghana or can say my mouth be gone? Me penny pakro me fi kakra.
You know the guy.
Mekai.
You know the guy. But come in a tree again if you say so. They didn't get your another. Some 3 million voters you and say conforming in ba they can never lose an event for you lose you. Okay, and your trouble na and this for no more die. This one obviously a research officer. No say entity for you they win by 1.3 million. Because no say a YouTube.
I was say next say one minute go aba yanto ye na mutimi hu samba wini je next say more mechanism
aba ni entry and if you think that and got so 3 million bi o say.
Aye.
No de to ho a na se mu obi na e think ya de ba. O mama yan kana kura nkyere ye ho. Na ntwe dia ye so ne mebi so a ya na ehia se be so kora. But kami abi ya ye koi ene say. Afarijan na owo ho no. Dr. Afarijan no ho as electoral commissioner. Kami na emre pi no on kankyere Ghana for say ye voters register no. Dibi wo mu ani senke wo mu na o Ghana for say nyina nye electoral commission no emwa na yenyi side ni mfirimu Afarijan na do say no nka sa che as a mention Ghana for
yeah no can
Charlotte say ba you know Charlotte be kind the same thing say Ghana for mwa to purge the list of undesirables edin a wo mu ye wu a yintimi ni wo mu din mfirimu o say Ghana for mwa na yenyi side ni mfirimu Kwame, inti yanyina yenim say voters register no e bloated. Yanyina yenim sa. Kwame, and now ya beto aba. E kai say 2016 ye beto aba. Yeni bason for ya making a special budget committee. Ishia. Na ne any commission for no Chemubi. Emma Samuel no Amadu Sule. No ye waka a friend saying deputy commission. Now, all know in charge of elections in Ankasa. Now, make the insurance no na limited registration no mayeno. Now, catch and say, young children, you limited registration no. And if I bet you a bay 15.7 million. The register be 15.7 million. Young children, until this hand say, by what imagination, and no, 15.7 million. Emma Charlotte, about Charlotte to say, Etiano say, it's awesome no become also say. And you know, was I right then to say, let us determine number no say, you been 15.7 million. I'm funny, I could banana. And the question say, you could talk about not list no, register voters, not the register voter no, the list no, not a year, a friend say 2016, you could talk about the voters register, not a nipe woman 15.7 million. Now, a large Sule Amedu, Eddie can catch 1 year before the election say, you been 15.7 million.
Hey,
yes.
okayfm.
Yes, no, that's no. Kwame, now they say you to abani so we say limited registration. Limited registration back home. Now we use baby omoko church omoko ye last year baby we creating new regions and so must another limited registration. Say baby and no register no. Yako 17 million. Say impo say young children for fra. Kwame. Young children for fra. I want say limited registration. Say limited registration says here. Now share the pattern na e wo ho. Say limited registration e din e be ka ho a. Kwame, it would then mean say young koto aba no. Any pa register no so no be ko be 18 million. Young your population they say you say 30 million. Beboana.
Annie.
Say 30 million. Let's say voter register no say dia be mu no ye 18 million. What does it mean? It means say 18 million out of 30 million no e be ma 60%. Ke say we nipa wo man no mu no emu nchemu wo hanchemu adusia ene wo omachom die so beto aba 60%. Ame ewiase nyina no mame country ba kope omo to aba as against the total population is 60%. Give me one example of the country it is maybe almost 60%. So to say it is idea they could 60% the na say kwame say mpeni nka no na ye nentu aye kese chen yesre and then to ye kese chen yesre let's just say na yare wo mu
yare wo mu ai
enti enna wo se ehwe ne yie ndi esa na kese ye let no I too bloated so na commission for you say ene ye bi kan ye to so mi nu no wono mo say omo fidie no a omo de ye din gu so no mfidie no nyina I spy enti edin na wo eyi no so no enti mi nhodu wo mo data center ho a wo ka say nansia ye chiro din omo ye limited registration no for the creation of regions no inia ba ko ama kofibu a already issue bi say ni nkofo bi a won ko chiro din omo di ayira wo system no mu enti za
ai
kwame data commission nan kasa ka say omo be ye electronic voting omo start ye na na afemu jaye because omo ana mo chiro din no omo chiro din no electronically no omo ye ana system no ya break it down nti omo ye so be manual registration and omo ye manual registration they can nipa ka credit no mo ye electronic registration no no mpo manual no so mo ye na so mo migrate akoto eyi so register no so na shiki I don't know see amakofibu anu mo no say means enye so mo chro din no manually the sankofu no nyina effort no nka ye kwa komudi ni yira o system no and na me say machines no ayedada and no mo say enu nti no kwame yenye foforo not this time kran body ye say yenye nipa no identity ye so mo ye Ghana fo so ne be ye obi ntimi nkoye multiple registration enkoye multiple voting ya yenye no say enye se won sanko ena ye wonsa etia wonsa no marks e wo fingerprint no ko ye ko yusu na emum woni ko sua nso ye be chi aguso so na be ya obi ntimi nkoto abampre no undimi ncho odi mpre no undimi nkoto abampre no let's say the integrity of the voters register no can be assured abato etimi de ejato amamu na say ogidie wo register ni mu dia so obi ntimi nto entraba mi no kwame let's say wo se wo mpe we ya na wo ankasa no utimu de ne wo ho
na question a omubusa ne say register mumu ye de win over 1 million vote at the bar power na ade a watim dia win no why change it the secondly so a question back home say bisa so ne say ya manu butusu aso say mrahye bedwani bi wu say ya manu butusu aso register ben ye resa ye by elections
kwame na me ka chere we say the machines na omo edi hold register no so na me ka say enam say identity na amakofibo an mo de no ka dia eni say esi no esi no
okayfm
am say so mo de old register na kasa mo to aba there be chaos see how we ho say odi opa china call letter commission say o transfer vote free insuatre edeko kofiase na hwe ni besi yo one way udi no in the course of transfer no cry nema besi and they say use sa register any the data center that they have pass some of the manage election of I mean one where they will be chaos Because what we nipa no be breeding kwa be yara our system no. I say if you have 10% of nipa crying say ayira or even 5% ayira our system no you dey do the na.
Enye papa.
Enye papa. Nti adena Diana yesinya we be wani nyenso na no etu ase. Nti etu ase ne nya de ne from the scratch. Na obi atimnya ne fan a o se won ti ase. Na me kasa me ntia ase o. We ntina ye za de na me nua mo fa ba parliament. Me kasa na kwame say ye benya a clean register. Na obi ke di se me ntia ase. Ade na ye nyina so ye gitum say list no e din bebre wo mu ani say wo mu. Ye nya better register ye nyina be tia test to. Na so bi so wo mpene so. Ni na chese e na me kan ho asem say o e se ni ketia se ni mbo na me kan so ene na 3 million na e bi ka so list ni e no person obo ho ba nti no so mpene ya na. Na ke say ni say 3 million ni free mu a na say nya a better register. Na ke say NDC for is it the case that you say muntimi woni election bi happen? So say na go kan ya say almost mo ko demonstration the Kyei Mensah Bonsu woni election.
Hi. What almost say what can what almost we are so definite to say with the new voters register no, you don't think it's NDC betimi win with the new voters register.
Grammy. 2000 year member of parliament. Political parties law. And here the provision be shame about think a state non sponsor political parties or electioneering campaigns. There the Samuel na Dr. Beda Samoa and na ye Attorney General,
yeah.
And na all pilot to bill no parliament. Any reason issue so yes idea no. And now can say a better year who say we see and that will be a better party. And you can say nka use index bi se bia political party bitiminya ye to ba ne wie na otiminya a certain percentage you can determine the percentage if you say unya more than 5% and more say you 10% unya 20% and more say that kind of thing na ya staga say be obi ankote party say ne me pese ka bi age so we nya a minimum defined number bia ye ma obi
okayfm
na but somebody this person say e kwa be ne bi sima fa so aye sa ade na and a yes, I'm a new minority, and you can't, yes, I propose. In fact, a minimum yes, I propose, and a proposal amendment. The other bar, plenary nani can want them. Also, as American, it answers the question a bit today. As I said, no, yeah, for as long as we are Attorney General, now NDC about one, someone tells you,
hey,
now in the unlikely event, I'm quoting you better than what kind was it in the unlikely event that. Mumu party ni ba power na sembe se mu introduce dia mu beti beti aba na ye yenye na no na oka say in a likely event no na ye nua nom NDC for no bi ka so unlikely event ndi wa gumu ama ye na on ka say 20 years na me refi me nua ba ko edin se o Canada na se din ketia yonko pa no so one of the constituency. Na see the Kyei Mensah Bonsu. Refi think kakra. When the Osei Parliament is there, Mamon ka say 20 years ago. Na MPP baba power be 50 years. It's in the hands of Kwame. Into what cancer no. Na ya TSC Mountain say NDC need to say MPP for reach power 50 years. Ya TSC Mountain say great demonstration. We pan ababen was as the deal. Edi Kwame, and some people ha obika na ya fa na mogu na the Boakye Gyan-Hon kan no de menen nya adwen na me giri se 77 pedesa e bi na tifie do no kan sama on hena beti kakra mesre no sama o kan de nya se papa kra.
I see. Any medals am pay.
Kan ni medals.
Yes, that say when me for say Kyei Mensah Bonsu abram pa na ni twen kono K101.7 so ni
okayfm 101.7